Good morning, students. Welcome you all to the online platform of education from N.L.K group of schools. Today we are here with the topic sound. As we have studied how sound is produced by different objects and human beings, now we will study how the sound is produced by an object reaches us. So the first topic is propagation of sound. The sound waves produced by a vibrating object travel in all directions through a material medium like air, water or solids called propagation of sound. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. It is the property of sound to travel through solids, which probably evolved the famous saying, even walls have ears. Now moving on, speed of sound. So the distance travelled by a sound wave propagating through a medium is the speed of sound. A slower wave covers less distance and a faster wave covers more distance in the same time period. The speed of sound in air is approximately 340 meters per second. Students, now moving on, human ear. As we know that human ear is sensitive to sound. The three parts of human ear as follows: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. As sound enters the ear through the ear canal, it makes the eardrum to vibrate. The eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From there, the signals go to the brain and then we hear the sound. Now moving on, the characteristics of sound. As sound is a wave, it has properties like frequency, amplitude, time period, loudness, pitch and quality. Now moving on, frequency. So what is frequency? The number of oscillations per unit time is called frequency of sound wave. It is represented by Greek alphabet nu or Latin letter F. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. The next property of sound wave is amplitude. So the amplitude of the sound wave is the height of crest and throw, or we can say the maximum displacement of the particle or object from its mean position to its either side is termed as its amplitude. It is represented by symbol A and the SI unit of amplitude is meter. Now moving on, the next property, that is time period. The time taken by an object to complete its one vibration is called time period. It is denoted by capital T and the SI unit of time period is second. There is a relationship between frequency and time period like F equals 1 upon T, where F is frequency of wave and T is time in second. Now moving on, the next property, that is loudness, pitch and quality. So loudness depends upon the amplitude of sound, as high amplitude wave having loud sound and low amplitude wave having feeble sound. Moving on, pitch, it is mainly depends upon frequency of the sound, as high frequency gives the shriller sound whereas the low frequency gives flatter sound. Moving on, the quality, it distinguishes one sound from other having the same loudness and pitch. Moving on, the next topic, reflection of sound waves and echo. A sound wave is reflected when it strikes another body. The reflected wave is called an echo. Yes, audible and inaudible sounds. So audible sound is sound which we can hear. It has frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Whereas inaudible sounds is the sound which we cannot hear. It has frequency less than than 20 Hz and more than 20,000 Hz. Sound whose frequency are more than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Some of the animals like dog, bats are able to listen ultrasonic sound. So students, hope that the topic is now clear to all. Now we will meet again with another topic. So for now, thank you for watching this.